disassembled the air chuck and modified it with a grinder. There's a view of it. The reason I modified the air chuck is because there is no regulator. Without the regulator, you can burst the hose. Yes, it's a good idea to wear safety glasses while you're doing this. I will leave a parts list in the description. This bracket is designed to hold a fire extinguisher. This is just a piece of plexiglass that I screwed into the side to hold the air hose. This is a closer look. That's a three-way valve on the left. That is an inline pressure valve that tells you what the pressure is in the tire. If you turn it up, that's how you fill the tank up using a quarter NPT fitting. You turn it down, that airs the tire up. I'm keeping a view on the gauge on the bottom. I do not use the regulator, that red button on the left side. I don't use that because the pressure is not designed for it. The regulator assembly, which is part of the gauge that you're looking at, I keep it wide open. And when I fill the tank, I don't fill it over 900 pounds. It can handle over 3,000, I believe, but for safety, I don't go above that.